Hey, Nick Watson here. We're going to add another vehicle to the YouTube feed. This is a 2015 Ford F-350 four-door dually 4x4 gas unit that we've got here. Johnny and I are going to go through a few options that we got on this vehicle. This thing's only got 31,000 miles on it. It's like a brand new truck. We're going to go through the options on the inside. A little bit of a plain Jane unit, but that's less stuff that the boys can break. Ice cold AC, no rips or tears in the seats, no rips in the floor. Just overall super nice truck. Knapheide utility body. You can look inside there. This thing didn't even get used. It's got the flip top opening box cabinet to it. Slides all the way forward halfway. Tailgate comes down. Tow package underneath. Trailer through the roof. If you've got any questions about this unit, please give us a call at 919-661-2886 or hit us up on their website at josephmotorsnc.com. If you have any questions, Johnny's behind the camera. My name's Nick Watson. Have a great day.